Hi guys, I just wanted to do this just in case somebody else runs across a problem with this. Of course, I bought this Lotus LTP5000D Plasma Cutter, and powers up, everything works fine until you press the trigger. You see a small arc, and then this thermometer, which is the OC light, turns on and it doesn't work. I haven't gotten it working yet, but I see something that might be an issue. You can see that this pin right here is lifted off of the circuit board. Now I tested the backside with this and we're not getting a connection, and the wires are going somewhere. So I'm gonna try and resolder that and see if that makes the difference of this thing turning on. You can see, let me get in there a little bit better. There we are. So this right here, that connection right there I think is bad. So I'm gonna resolder that and see if it starts up. Okay, back, and as you can see, now this connection right there is protruding, and this right here is now down, and I'm getting a continuity test from the back side of the board in this pin right here. So let's plug this back in. And we'll see if it fires up. Okay. Contact. Okay, we'll fire it up. Everything's hooked up. Running 3 PSI, 30 PSI. Let's run a little bit more. And let's see if it works. There we go. Works pretty good.